Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Agendas are already agending. White money carrying Ghana must go on his head. Some people are saying that is white money strategy, poverty strategy. And this person said this poverty strategy will not work this time. All of Fona get money. Guys, what do you think? See, I know that in Nigeria, yes, we are in Nigeria, a lot of people see or they associate Ghana must go with poverty, which doesn't make sense. If you want to travel light, Ghana must go is one of those bags that gives you that opportunity. Like you can stock a lot of things in that bag and it's going to help reduce weight, because some of those big luggages, those fancy luggages, they have weight themselves. Do you get? And if you leave Nigeria, the short of Nigeria, you would see a lot of people traveling with the bag. White people, different people, they don't really target to be a poverty bag, but in Nigeria a lot of people see Ghana must go to be poverty bag.